Hey, I'm Drew Martin. I'm here to show the modernization of existing newsroom systems with a unique modular approach. If I could find any other complex names in there, I would. So what I'm talking about is really what happened with MAM systems. They were an asset management system that managed your assets, but really when it came down to the system, that's when people started making tool sets for that. And the tool sets used to be proprietary. So if you have a camera ingest tool that has a lot of proprietary technology or something that's fast, that's only for that individual MAM system. So what that leads to is without third-party integration, MAM systems are really left with little integration options. So you can only use the camera ingest, you can only use the metadata, you can only use your transcoding, your playout system with the actual MAM system that you bought. And usually what happens is we want to understand the key differences with our software so that we can now integrate into these existing MAM systems. And that's becoming more of a problem with customers today because they don't want to switch their entire MAM system over to a new system. They simply just want maybe a faster camera ingest or maybe a faster way to capture IP or maybe a faster way to transcode files instead of replacing their entire MAM system. So with that, we really break down what an asset management system is, which is really the ability to ingest, manage, and distribute your content. Now when we break that down, it goes a little bit farther. We say we can do SDI feeds, IP feeds, user-generated content. We can get into manage when we talk about MOS support, when we talk about web clients and social media. And then we can get into distributing when we talk about transcoding and we talk about automated tasks and social media publishing. So in the end, it really breaks down a MAM system into ingest, manage, and distribute. Now with that, we started to break apart different types of areas that we think a customer would need. And our camera ingest is very unique. So our camera ingest can read files, can put them together, and can send them off to third-party locations without any transcoding, which allows for a very fast operation. A great example is CBS New York got brand new Sony cameras, and since Sony switched to XAVC, the codec did not work inside their internal MAM system. So what we did is we integrated our MAM system, and not just the MAM system, just the camera ingest system, to grab the files from the camera, and once the files come from the camera, excuse my crazy little animation and graphics, we turn that into one file, again, without transcoding it. So we have that one file, and then we send it off to their existing MAM system. Now this is all automated so that the user is just ingesting from the camera. And what's important with this entire workflow is that it's completely growing. And that means that the moment that the file starts writing to the disk, it's transferring to another disk, which is transferring to the third-party system, which means that when they ingest their camera files, they actually get 8 times faster than real time. Now that's using a secondary MAM system by using just tool sets from a completely separate MAM system. So to make it simple, what we're doing is isolating the tool sets that we have in our asset management system and then taking those individual tool sets to improve customers' existing facilities, existing MAM workflows. And that's the entire presentation. Thank you.